Did you know that 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? In 2025, gut health is no longer a trend, it's a necessity. Science now shows us that your gut affects not only your digestion, but also your immunity, mood, focus, and even energy levels. Taking care of your gut means taking care of your entire well-being. Let's explore the best functional foods you should include in your diet to support your gut in the most powerful way. Section 1. Why gut health matters, now more than ever. Your gut is not just about digesting food. It's a complex system that connects directly to your brain, your immune system, and your overall health. When your gut is balanced and healthy, you feel more energized, think more clearly, and get sick less often. But in today's fast-paced world, full of stress and processed foods, our gut often takes the hit. That's why choosing the right foods is more important than ever. Section 2. The rise of functional foods. Functional foods are more than just nutrition. They actively help your body work better, especially your gut. In 2025, these foods are smarter, stronger, and more targeted. They include advanced probiotics, special fibers, anti-inflammatory ingredients, and much more. These foods are backed by science and created to support your unique gut microbiome. Section 3. The gut-brain connection. Have you ever had a gut feeling? That's real. Your gut and brain are directly connected, and scientists call this the gut-brain axis. When your gut is off, it can affect your mood, anxiety, and even your ability to focus. A healthy gut helps you feel mentally and emotionally better. That's why supporting your gut also means supporting your mind. Section 4. Game-changing foods for 2025. So, what are the most powerful gut foods to focus on this year? First, we have precision probiotics. These are not your regular store-bought probiotics. They're designed for specific gut problems and contain strains that match your personal gut needs. Next, we have adaptogenic superfoods like ashwagandha and moringa. They reduce stress and gut inflammation, two big enemies of a healthy microbiome. Also important are metabolic fiber complexes. These special fibers act as food for good gut bacteria, helping them grow stronger and fight off the bad guys. Section 5. Fermented foods, the new generation. Fermented foods are getting an upgrade. In 2025, kombucha, kefir, and kimchi aren't what they used to be. Now they're being produced with more powerful bacteria strains, better fermentation methods, and improved nutrition. These foods deliver live cultures that help rebuild your gut, improve digestion, and even reduce bloating and fatigue. Compared to traditional fermented foods, modern ones offer more flavor, more benefits, and better results. Section 6. Prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria. Prebiotics are the food that probiotics eat. They help the good bacteria in your gut grow and stay strong. And no, we're not just talking about fiber anymore. In 2025, powerful prebiotic sources include Jerusalem artichokes, green banana flour, chicory root, and even raw onions and garlic. These ingredients help balance your gut naturally and make your probiotics more effective. Adding prebiotics to your meals every day can make a big difference in your digestion and immune strength. Section 7. Next-level superfoods for gut health. The list of gut-friendly foods is expanding fast. Plant-based powerhouses like moringa, turmeric, and purple corn provide anti-inflammatory benefits. Ashwagandha helps reduce stress, which directly improves gut health. From the sea, we get spirulina, chlorella, and marine collagen. These are packed with nutrients that repair the gut lining and support healthy digestion. Adding these to your meals supports your microbiome in a powerful and natural way. Section 8. Fighting gut inflammation with food. If your gut is inflamed, you'll feel bloated, tired, and uncomfortable. Healing that inflammation starts with what you eat. Bone broth with collagen helps repair the gut lining. Wild salmon and chia seeds provide omega-3s to reduce inflammation. Turmeric, ginger, and leafy greens all help your cells recover faster. Eating anti-inflammatory foods every day builds a strong, protected digestive system. Section 9. Smart Food Pairings, Synbiotics. Want to level up your gut game? Combine probiotics with prebiotics. These are called synbiotics. For example, yogurt with Jerusalem artichoke, kefir with banana, kimchi with whole grain bread, kombucha with garlic-rich meals. These combinations help your gut absorb the good bacteria more effectively and keep your microbiome strong. Section 10. Personalized gut nutrition. The future of gut health is personal. Thanks to microbiome testing, you can now understand exactly what your gut needs. These tests show which bacteria live in your gut, what nutrients you may be missing, and what foods work best for your body. This allows you to build a custom nutrition plan, choosing the exact foods, probiotics, and habits that support your unique gut. Section 11. The role of food technology. New food technologies are making gut health easier and more effective. We now have nano-delivery systems that bring nutrients straight to your gut. We also have better methods for keeping probiotics alive longer in food. Some foods are even enhanced with specific bacteria strains built just for your body. The science is evolving, and it's giving us tools to take gut care to a whole new level. Final section. Conclusion. Your gut is the foundation of your health. In 2025, we have more tools than ever to support it, through smart foods, modern science, and better habits. By adding the right functional foods to your meals, like precision probiotics, powerful prebiotics, fermented superfoods, and anti-inflammatory ingredients, you can transform your health from the inside out. Start today. Eat smarter. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you. For more science-backed wellness tips, visit Healthsighty.com, your trusted guide to better gut health in 2025 and beyond.